Started. Okay, so in the last video, we talked about how to create a bot using the Snatchbot framework, but we did not build. So here we're building it live and direct. In the last video, what we actually wanted to do it was a registration bot, where the bot gets to register a user for a program or for a concert or wherever. But now I'm creating a review bot, and the bot will do what? Collect reviews and ratings about a particular product for a company. So yeah, we'll be talking about the interaction and the plugin, but mainly be dealing with the interaction, but plugin will come in later. So for interaction is what the bot is saying. What the bot is saying, like is the bot messages. So we have different interactions. That is, we have show off. We have the collect email address. If it's an email you bot want to collect from the user, or if it's a link, you use collect your phone number or date, number, address, collect duration or whatever. But if none of this aligns to what the bot wants to collect, you make use of what bot statement. For instance, how's your day been? Use bot statement. What's your name? Use bot statement. What's your state? Use bot statement. You cannot use collect email for your state of origin or wherever. Because now when I'm using the bot statement, I have to like name it. And there's something I don't talk about to which is bot scripting. And the later video, like this and that video, I'll teach you how to write your script, but it's not really hard. Scripting is the flow of how you want your bot to go. Are you getting me? So that's what scripting is. I've written the script for this bot down already for the review bot. This is what it looks like here. Since it's just a simple bot we are building, and we get to make it complex later on. Okay, so now welcome to Josh Math Bot. It's asking for the product. This is the bot message. This is the user's message. This is the bot message. This is the user message. Are you getting me? So I've written them down so it will be easier for me. Why plugins? Plugins is how will I say it? In the last video talking about templates for bots. That's the same. We also have templates for interaction, but it's not really called templates. It's called plugins. Plugins are a group of interactions. When we get further, I'll create videos for each of them. Okay, so now the interaction. The first thing is the introduction part, where the bot introduces itself, because it's usually the bot starting the conversation in Snatchbot. Okay, so I'll be calling this introduction. Okay, then add it. Now this is where I'll now impute the bot statement. So what was the bot statement? The bot statement is what saying, welcome to Joe Smart Bot. You can add whatever you want to add there, but I just want to make it as simple as possible. Welcome to Joe Smart Bot. Okay. Then add interaction too for the next one, because you cannot create the statements for the user. The user will type that one itself. All you are just doing is creating what the bot would say. Because now you're creating the next interaction. Next interaction is doing what? I made mistake when creating this script. It's meant to be separately. I get me. So the user is going to say something here. Okay, so this is how it's meant to be. So now the next interaction is asking for the product. I get me. So asking for the product. So when I create a new interaction, the bot statement. So here I'll just call it product. Name it whatever you know you will remember, like just that summarize what is inside the bot statement. Okay, then add. So in the bot statement here, okay, so we'll be dropping the message that the bot would say. It's asking which of the products would you like to give review for. A, Control V. Okay. Now the next interaction we'll be creating. So this is for what is your name. Are you getting me? So now it's asking for the username for maybe for future purpose or forever. So So I'm naming this username for the bot statement, then add. I'll just copy and paste it. What's your name? Then paste it in the bot statement, bot message. Okay, so that's the same thing I'll do for the rest of them. So watch it. Okay, so done already. The username asking for the name, like what's your name. We have the user detail asking for, I might have said I want to use collect phone number or email address. I said like, we have email and we have phone number, and when it said your WhatsApp number or email address. The reason why I know this is because of is that either going to type its WhatsApp number or its email address. I don't know which one's going to type, so I'm using both statements. Next one was rating. What will be your rating from 1 to 5? We have the review. What's your review about the bot? And we have the thanks. Okay, so the thanks has its message, which would be thanks for the review. Okay, so with all of this, you've created a simple bot, but there's still something missing, which is the connection. There's something that is meant to link introduction to product, from product to username, from username to user detail, but it's not working that way. And if you want to test your bot, you can just test it from here, this widget here, where I'm moving my mouse on. Then click on it to be able to test your bot. If I say okay, this and that to continue, but you should repeat that same thing because I have not connected that interaction to another interaction to continue. So in the next video, I'll be explaining to you some of these that you'll be needing. This prior response, custom variables, and the rest. I'll explain each and every one of them. Just only the basic ones for now. Then maybe later we'll get to understand the remaining ones. Okay, so please do well to subscribe, and next video is coming soon. I mean now. Bye.